Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. Well, Happy New Year, you guys. I hope you all had a wonderful holiday season, and I hope this new year is getting off to a great start. I have got 3 super simple glam DIY projects for us today. We're going to be making some glam home decor using metallic finish in gold. And I'm going to be trying to add some metallic gold finish to my home decor this year, just through accessories, just adding a little bit of gold touch here and there. If you guys will be adding any new metallic finishes to your home decor this year, let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear about it. I'm always interested in knowing how other people decorate their homes as well. Will you be using silver? Will you use gold? Will you use bronze? Whatever the case may be, just let me know. So what you're going to need a rhinestone bulk embellishment packet. This packet is from Totally Dazzled. And Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor, wedding decor, and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. Now what you'll need from Dollar Tree, you're going to need a mini vase. You're also going to need a taper candle holder. You're going to need a shadow box picture frame, and you're going to need some of the round votive holders from Dollar Tree. I will be assembling my project with hot glue, but if you like to make any of the components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. If I use any additional items, I will have them listed in the description box below for you as well. Let's get started. Okay, you guys, didn't those 3 easy glam home decor pieces turn out absolutely beautifully? They were so easy to make. Now, let's go ahead and get started decorating with them. Well, there you have it, you guys. 3 super simple glam DIYs. I hope you all will give these easy DIYs a try. If you like these kinds of glam DIYs and glam videos, please be sure to share my videos with your friends and family. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads. I'd like to thank you all very much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.